Guys, we are going to drift event again today. This is going to be the last drift event for the year for me, and we're going to Hot Lap Sunday, which is a drift clinic in Lanier's Raceplex. First off, I just want to thank everyone who helped me with this car. I want to thank my buddy Drew. He gave me the part that I need, which is the toe link, because mine before it was wiggling and then the bolt was stuck in there. And so I took the car to my friend Rafael's shop, which is Three Phase Racing, and so he got it out. We put the replacement part in there, which is a toe link, and now my car feels so much better, and it doesn't wiggle anymore, because that's what's making me struggle doing drifting. And I'm kind of running late right now, so I'm about to head out right now to meet up with my friends at the gas station. And I've been waiting for this day, so it's gonna be an awesome day, because I'm gonna try to shred as much tires as I can, and I'm gonna go out with a bang for this year. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay, we're finally here at the gas station. We're getting ready, we're getting gas. Here's the fucking crew right here. What's up, Andrew? How you doing, man? You ready for this shit? Are you the designated driver for this?
Yes.
Where's Asian Andrew?
He's not here yet. They pick up. As always.
As always. Oh my god. You ready for this though, right? I'm pumped.
So I'm gonna wait for you.
Hey, I gotta take care of some business, okay? Oh my god, we're ready for this fucking drift event. Hey, Nan, would you do me a favor? Nan,
What?
will you shut the fuck up? Alright then, there you go. Keep pumping your shit. Okay. Alright, we're almost done here. Oh, full tank, $23. Okay, that's what I wanted. Hey, come on, hurry up, man.
You hurry up.
Hey, what's up, Jackie?
You're an appointment with your ass this morning.
Hey, what's up, Jackie Chan?
Shut up. Are you in trouble?
Hey, does it look like Jackie Chan?
Wacky Chan.
Wacky today? Wacky Chan.
Yeah, that's like a porno name.
Uh-huh. Hey. Let's go. Come on. What?
One eternity later.
When you come home, I heard it good. montage.